By now, you've probably heard there's a winter storm brewing for North Texas. While sleet looks to be the predominant precipitation type for most of the area, some of you will see freezing rain. Freezing rain is when liquid raindrops hit surfaces at or below 32 degrees and freeze on contact, creating a smooth layer of ice. And that ice, it can get really heavy. A quarter of an inch might not sound like much, but it's enough to weigh down trees and power lines. A half inch of ice can add an extra 500 pounds to power lines, creating widespread power outages and dangerous travel. The details and timing of the transition to wintry weather and exactly how much we pick up is still being ironed out. So of course you'll want to check back for more updates as we get closer to the weekend.